1. Cut your boob tape into short and long sections. For this bandeau style, you'll need about 3 short and 2 long pieces of tape for each breast. The short pieces should roughly cover your nipple, and the long pieces will need to be the vertical length of your breast. 2. Lift your breast with one hand and guide a short piece of tape upwards. Start by placing one end of the tape below your nipple, and then pull the other end towards the top of your breast. Rub the tape down to help smooth everything out. Use a mirror so you can see what you're doing. Try not to touch the underside of the tape too much. The more you touch the tape, the less sticky it'll be. 3. Put an additional piece of tape on either side of the first piece. Think of it like building the cup of a bra. You want to cover and shape your breast. In the end, you'll have 3 pieces of short tape running vertically over the front of your breast. If you need more than 3 pieces of tape to cover your breast, no worries. Each breast is different, so add as many pieces as you need to feel secure. 4. Stretch a longer strip of tape under your breast horizontally. Hold up your breast with one hand, and start taping from the outside in. Rub the tape down, following the U shape you've just made to cup your breast. The shorter vertical pieces of tape will overlap with the longer piece of tape, and that's okay. This gives you an extra layer of support. 5. Apply another piece of longer tape above the last. Basically, you're wanting to cover the entire front of your breast like the cup of a bra. Adding extra longer pieces will create more lift and support, so apply as many pieces of tape as you need. 6. Repeat on the other breast, and voila! You have created a strapless and backless bra with boob tape. If you're looking for a flatter look, consider wrapping the tape over your bust and cleavage. This will flatten your breasts while creating support.